How to add a transparent text box onto an image in Word. For that, you have to watch this video thoroughly. First of all, you have to just go for your insert option. So which is on the top, you can see the insert option, just tap on that. Once you are on your insert option, you can see the text box. Just go for the text box. Here you can see the text box. So you can choose a text. Got here you can see that you have to just right click. You have to just go and click on that text box. So here you can see that after that the text box is here and you can just simply go for the simple text box, Austin quote, Austin sidebar, banded quote. Here you can see that. And you have to choose your preferred text box. After that, you will have your text box here. And here you can see that. After that, you have to again go for the insert option. After that, here you have to just select that here. You have to select that text box. After selecting that text box here, you have to navigate to the wrap text. So just navigate to your save format. Once you are on your save format, here you can see the wrap text option. Just navigate to the wrap text. Once you are on your wrap text here, you have to just go for the in front of text. Just go for the in front of text. Once you are on your in front of text from your format, you have to just go for the save fill option. So once you are on your save fill option, here you have to just go for the no fill option. Here you can see the no fill option. Just tap on the no fill option. After that, here you can see the save outline option. Once you are on your save outline option, here you have to just go for the no outline option. So after that, you will have a transparent text box. Here you can see that on your image. So that's it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.